This is part 3 to a 3-part series, The Fire, the Ash, and the Return. Part 3 is Restoration, and its title is Ashes to Soil, Restoration, Fertility, and the Return to the Land. After the fire, what remains is ash, and ash is not waste. Ash is fertilizer. Ash is the concentrated memory of everything that leaf ever was. When I return these ashes to the soil, I'm feeding the next season with the testimony of the last one. In Scripture, God always brings restoration after purification. Isaiah speaks of beauty for ashes. Joel speaks of God restoring the years. Restoration is God's signature. In Hoodoo, we honor the land by returning what came from it. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is lost. Everything returns to its source to strengthen what comes next. This is the separate economy. Value measured not by transaction, but by remembrance and return. So when I take these ashes and put them back into the soil, I'm participating in a divine cycle. Release, purification, and restoration. This is how you steward your land. This is how you honor your ancestors. This is how you walk in authority over your season.